In a diagram, this is there and this is the parallel line, same parallel line, and this is the and this angle is 1. So find out this angle. What is the angle of value of this? First we can write this is 17. So total angle, the total angle is 180 degree and this is minus 17 degrees, so 1. So this angle value is between. And now we can write here in a two parallel line is a parallel line. We know this angle is similar of this angle and this angle is similar of this angle. So this angle is in a parallel line. This is cut here. So this angle is similar of this angle. So this is the, and now this is the total is 180 degree and minus this. So this value is 70 degree. So you can write this value is 70 degree. And this is the total is, and minus this 1/5. So this angle minus, so this angle value is 35 degree. So this angle value is 35 degree. And now in a triangle, we know in a triangle total value is 180 degree, and this is minus the 35 and this 70 degree. So this is the total is this is the value is 75 degree. So there is value is 75 degree. So this value is the 75 degree. Because 12 is, and this is the plus here and 2 angle, and this is the 75 degree. And now this total in a this is the 180 degree and this is minus the 75 degree. So minus 75 degree there is 150. So this value is 105 degree.